Firstly, we have to remove these empty lines. To remove empty lines, you have to select all, choose data and sort. Okay, then you can delete. Review the whole file. Like this line we have to delete. Because those are not data, we have to delete. Those are not data. Delete. Thanks, delete. Okay, now we keep all the data in the sheet. Then we copy all. Control A, Control C. In your keyboard, Control A, Control C. Copy data in the notepad. So now what we want to do is we want to replace the space with the star. So we replace, find and replace the space with the star. Nothing else, only star. You cannot leave space here. Replace all. Okay. Then we can see here another space. We have to remove it with one star. Replace all. Here also space. Replace all. Okay. Now the data looks like you have everything with the star. Then we remove the 4 star, replace as 1 star, replace all. We remove 3 star, replace 1 star, and 2 star, also replace with 1 star. Okay, the purpose is we want to have all the data, and in between is only 1 star. Only 1 star between the column. We want to separate this column. Then we need to find the tab key. The tab key is on your keyboard. You click on your keyboard, you get the tab key here. Then we use the star, replace with tab key, replace all. Okay, now the data is separate. Then you copy, Control A, Control C. Let's put in a different sheet. Okay, here is the data. Why it's minus is because apprentices in Excel consider it's a minus number, so we don't worry about this. We will adjust this later on. Okay, now we need to put this because these are customer code. We need to put this. These are customer code, the apprentices. So we have to merge these 2 data together. So to merge these 2 data together, you already know. We put the C column together with G column. Then we put these 2 columns together. You copy. Okay, this data is not good. We have to adjust it manually. This is 100. Okay, this is supposed to be the quantity. Okay, then we copy these 2 columns. Put in the notebook. put in the notebook. Okay, now we want to remove. Here in between there is the table key. We have to remove this table key. This is a table key, and we replace with one space. Let's put a parenthesis. We put this, replace all. So this number together. Then we put the minus key, the other side of a parenthesis. Okay. So Control A, Control C. Let's put the data here. We don't replace it, so you can double check. You double check. Yes, data is correct. Then you can delete G and H. Okay, now it's very close to the file we want to import. Of course, you have to double check the volume in the end. After you import it, you can check the volume. This column we don't need because it's the sum total. If you import it, you have to delete this column because in our system will calculate the total volume. So let's double check again how many datas delete. So total data we have 302 lines here. How many datas? 302. So it's correct. So this file is very similar, very close to what we want to import.